What's up, guys? In today's video we got some new parts for the truck, new stuff for the garage coming, and we're going to install at least one of those parts. Let's get to it. So welcome back for another video, guys. Thanks for joining me. If you're already subscribed, you're awesome. If not, hit that subscribe button. What are you waiting for? It's free. Join along. So I'm going to go over some of the parts that we got and then what we're actually installing. So first thing is very easy. We got some new LED bulbs for the front of our truck. I'll show you in a minute what the problem is and I'll explain something about these. Let's go take care of that quick so we got something done in this video. Then we'll discuss the other part we have for the truck and then what's going on with the garage, because got a little bit of update. One of the other videos I explained the problem with my headlights, so I don't know if it's gonna go off like this. Hold on. It's very loud. Hold on. I gotta take you off the camera. I gotta take you off the stand so you can see it.
So, driver's side, passenger side. If you see on the sneakers, passenger side super bright, driver's side you can barely see anything. That's the problem.
That noise is normal. It's off. The lights obviously have a fan with them to stay cool and all that stuff, so it's normal. It's a normal noise. Now this is where we get into the company like Diode Dynamics. So this is not sponsored, by the way. I've just used Diode Dynamics stuff for a while I definitely had a bunch of their stuff on my Subaru. I think I had some of the LED lights on my 240, but mainly the Subaru. Me and Diode go way back. My car was actually on their website at one point, and my friend took the picture of the car and he tried to get a discount through them, and then they took the car off the web. Doesn't matter, but Diode Dynamics. Whenever I go with like something like LED lights, I usually advocate for a company like them. They're well known, their products are always high quality, and their warranty program. So these lights that I have in the car, which once again, the lights I paid full price for, and then this replacement was part of their warranty program. So not sponsored. Their lights have a 3-year warranty. I've had these in the car maybe a year and a half or whatever. So I emailed them or set in like a repair RP, whatever the hell it was on their website. I started doing one of those. I put in the info of what's going on with the lights, and they sent me new ones, no questions asked. I had pictures and videos all ready to go for when they asked to show them the problem with it, that one of the bulbs is a lot dimmer than the others. It's been like that for a while, and I thought maybe it was just turned the wrong way in the socket, but after checking it can only go one way in the socket, so it was the bulb. I even had them both out with the lights on, and you could clearly tell a difference, which I had all this proof of, which I was ready to send to them, and they didn't even care. They just sent the new ones, no questions asked. So thank you, Diode Dynamics. If you want, you can sponsor me and send me some lights. I'm always willing to put more LED lights on this truck, so do that. So since these lights are a complete pain in the ass to change on this truck, I'm actually only going to change the bad one for now. I'll probably just toss it right in the garbage so I don't save it by accident, and then we will keep the other one up on the shelf somewhere. This one was actually in the passenger side of the truck, and when I did all the testing, I swapped it to the driver's side because I knew when I got the new light, the driver's side was easier to deal with. Let me swap it out quick. This is where the laziness has got to me. I almost went to go turn on the light, by the way, and the light's already on. Awesome. This is where the laziness gets to me. I never fixed that wiring from the other video about wiring the stuff. So if you didn't check out that video, I'll go link it up in the top corner. We made a custom relay panel for the truck. Hold on. Let me get a light. We made a custom relay panel for the truck, wired the ditch lights and the light bar into that, left one spare for future upgrades. It was supposed to be the fog lights that are in the grill, but I decided to leave that on the OEM switch, so then I had future upgrades. But I'll link that video in the top corner. Go check that one out. It's good, pretty informative if you don't know how to wire a relay. So if you're not familiar with these lights, it's really not that difficult. The spot we're dealing with is right here. A little annoying to get to. The other side has a lot more plastic involved and removing stuff. That's why we're doing this side. We'll be right back when this is done because you're not going to be able to see anything.
That's all the wiring to cut out. It's still a little messy, but it's a lot better than having all that junk in there.
Well, I fixed that one thing. Now it's, I guess, good. I remembered I never actually hooked those lights back up after the whole thing because I was planning on doing that. So that's another thing that I got accomplished today. I still have to double stick tape the wire hider over there. As you see, the blue tape still on it, but I'll get to that. Just being lazy. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for, the other mods. So I have it right here, actually. I have another control arm. So this is the other upper control arm. This is from CWF Off-Road. This one just came out. I'm gonna have a video about this and the reason why I got this one as opposed to, if you've been watching the channel for a while, you know I have the Peak suspension arms. We'll go over why I got these and whatnot in maybe the next video. So stay tuned, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss that. So there's a couple reasons why I got that, which I will go over on the next video, so make sure you don't miss that one. And then the other thing, which is the garage stuff that we got. So today, it's actually the week before, but Home Depot was having a Memorial Day sale on garage cabinets. So instead of going with the new age cabinets like we had in the old garage, I will link the video for the new age cabinet install that we did back in New York if you want to go check that out. Those cabinets were awesome. No complaints with those. I'll link that video up there. Only problem is since we bought those, the price went up a lot. So I will have a video when these new ones come. They're actually Husky, but they're the heavy duty version. They have a regular duty, heavy duty, and then like pro duty or whatever. And the only thing I could tell from reading the description on Home Depot between the heavy duty and the pro was just that the pro had like an extra coating on it, I guess, for longer lasting finish, I guess, if you're gonna bang around on it. So we went with the heavy duty. You'll see that setup when it comes. I'm pretty excited about that because it's similar setup to what we had cabinet wise, but one extra large one. You'll see that when it comes. And then I kind of alluded to it about the lighting in this garage earlier, that I went to go turn the light on because I thought it was too dark and the light was already on. We got some lights coming, but I went with an Amazon special. It was $45. It's 6 LED lights. We're gonna put those up for now until we could decide what we want to do with the lighting in here. Because I do want to get the hex pattern light. I also want to get this insulated and then drywalled so it's closed off and not 1,000 degrees, because it gets in the triple digits here frequently in the summertime and it's going to be extremely hot in here. I came out today because it's actually lower. It's actually in the 70s today, but pretty windy. I was planning on trying to go for a drive to get some more drone footage and do a little more exploring, but the wind is whipping around. Formula Drift was today, so the qualifying was early. So we just got finished watching that, and now I'm waiting for the cable guy to come to upgrade our cable to the higher speed, which was supposed to be installed the first time, but they messed up and then they have to come back. Whatever, doing that. So chill video today. I hope you are excited for the upcoming stuff for the garage. I think I'm more excited about the lighting, to be honest. No, I'm actually more excited about the cabinets, so I could get the rest of this crap off the floor over here. This new setup is coming with the new workbench, so I could get rid of that workbench, make a nice little setup area somewhere. It's gonna be nice. Stay tuned for that. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I think that's supposed to come early June. That's that. So I hope you enjoy this video. Go buy yourself high quality LED lights for your truck. Not specific to any brand, but a high quality one. Check the reviews. If you're paying significantly cheaper than the other places, it's probably not that good. You kind of pay for what you get most of the time. I will see you guys in the next one. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and leave some comments down below. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out, and light up your life.